Why are your hands in your palms?
Exactly. I was going to say, you look like you're really cold.
My hands are cold.
I think that's illegal.
Not yet.
You smell like barbecue.
No, you do it.
You do it.
Why?
I'm too old. I can't have that kind of stuff on video. Go.
Ow! You're a jerk.
That's yours.
You knocked over my half and half.
No, this is yours?
Yeah.
I'll take a sip.
It's delicious.
Alright.
Ow! She kicked me in the eye.
You just said that's delicious. You're like, right.
That's good.
See? Ow! That's my head.
That's delicious.
I hate you. Dixie, get over me.
Now she hates her.
I don't hate her. I could never hate Dixie. I could never
I
hate
can.
Dixie. I could never hate Dixie.
I really do.
Did you just say Dixie's stupid?
No offense, the dog got hit by a golf cart and it still runs in front of the golf cart and stops.
Dixie, get off of me.
All right, so what should
It just eats rocks.
All right, so I'm thinking the caption's gonna be "This is what drugs do to you."
Yeah.
In half.
Don't do drugs.
Dixie. Look how cute she is, though. How could you resist this
Dixie
thing?
has broken
She
a
is
brick
very
in half
pretty.
when she carries a brick around.
Yeah.
And she breaks it in half.
Look at Jackson.
Grace, you're about to squish your phone.
Oh, that's fine.
Keep going, keep going.
How long are you going to make that?
I don't know.
Your mom. Yay.
Ow. Your paws are dirty. I have hair in my mouth. Look, I have hair right now.
Oh my gosh!
Don't.
I think it's out, to be honest with you. No, it's not. I gotta take all that crap off
Hurry, go run outside.
there. I'm staying here with the trash can. I bring it out. Don't worry, it pulls out easy. It's the cheap stuff.